Hey guys, so the Xion Airdrop has finally listed, and congratulations if you received this airdrop allocation. Now, I'll be giving you a cheat code on how to claim this token. A lot of people, even myself, we've been having downtime in receiving code to our Gmail accounts. So here is what I do to be able to access this page. If before now you've seen your allocation, but you are unable to log in to claim your airdrop, then this is what you need to do. This is what I did to have this page visible to me. And now I'll be proceeding to claim. And also they bring about this double or nothing. Please guys, do not do the double or nothing thing. When you select that and you get nothing, that means your token is lost forever. So don't try it. It's a gambling. Don't gamble. Just proceed to claim your thing to your wallet, and that's it. So what I did was to first of all create a new account, which is I use my Yahoo Mail to create a new account. The moment you paste this link, this claim link to your browser, then it will tell you to log into an account. Enter a different email, Yahoo Mail, Outlook. Don't use a Gmail. Then I entered a Yahoo Mail to create another account on the mainnet. Then on this page, it's telling me to choose on this page that you are seeing chain and social activities. I selected testnet account. After I log in here, then I enter the mail that I used to farm my testnet, doing the testnet farming. That was what I used to sign in. They sent the code eventually when I entered the email here after I have logged in to the claiming page using the Yahoo Mail that I newly created. I don't know if you guys understand that. Maybe I should repeat it. What I did was, after entering this email, after entering this page on my browser, they were not forthcoming sending the Gmail code. I think majority have that issue. So what I did was to create another mainnet account using a different mail, which is Yahoo Mail, precisely. Then after creating another mainnet account, I log in to that account using this. I log into this dashboard page using that Yahoo Mail. I log into this dashboard page using that Yahoo Mail. Then in this option of selecting accounts, when it's time for me to select testnet account, then I enter the email I used to farm my testnet, not the Yahoo Mail. The previous mail I've been using to farm testnet that they were not sending code. That was what I entered. And after like 2 attempts of requesting code, they eventually sent the code, and now I am here on the claiming page. That is what I did, guys. So now to claim, I'll just proceed. You see, they are saying double or nothing. Yeah, I will not click on yes. I'm not a degen. Please let me just claim this. I'll click on claim now. I am not a degen. I am not doubling. I'm not gambling. Let me just click my claim now, and that's it. So this is the claiming is still rolling. I'm just gonna claim these 300 tokens. This airdrop is this Xion token is trading on Bybit, Biget, what's it called? You see success, share to X. I'm not sharing a bit. Let me just continue. 300. Congratulations, start to participate in the mainnet campaign in Xion security and governance. Okay, mainnet mission. This is that staking. You can stake or you launch this mainnet. Let me see where to claim to my wallet. Okay, so guys, now I have the claiming page, the withdrawal page. I will drop the link to the description box of this video. But after you must have seen this page, this next step, then the next link is this settings.bonds.com. This is where you are going to be withdrawing from. Like you can send to Biget exchange, or you send to Bybit, or which other exchanges, Get.io and all other ones, KuCoin and what have you. So you can send to any of them. Just click on this forward arrow here. Then you enter the amount you want to send. If you are sending all, as you can see here, I'm having like $1,900. So I can decide to withdraw everything to my exchange, or I select the amount I want to withdraw. You can hold on what have you. So after you must have withdrawn to any of the exchange, please take note of the memo. Bidget do not have memo in their deposits. Bybit does. I've not checked for Gate.io exchange and other ones too, but Bidget do not have memo. Please take note. So what you need to do here is to enter the amount of Xion you want to withdraw. So if I enter the whole, you see, then I enter the amount, the recipient's wallet address, which is the wallet address. Then I enter memo. Then I click on review. So this is how to send your Xion out of the account to any other exchanges. And you can decide to stake. So I can decide to stake here to earn 42% APR. And also there is launch pool happening on Bybit and Bidget exchanges. You can stake on Bidget and Bybit exchanges as well. There is both exchanges are having their launch pool. So whichever you want to do with your Xion, remember this token, this coin, because this is a blockchain coin, they are having a total supply of 200 million pieces. So you should start speculating what the price will be. They listed for $10, and that is why we are seeing this hike in price. They listed for $12 rather. I saw it for $12 on Bidget. So take note, 200 million pieces as total supply. It's not being so. So if a blockchain coin is having 200 million pieces, by Bull Run, we should be having this coin as $20, $50 per one. So if you are selling now, make sure you are not selling the whole of your inheritance. Take profits, and remember we are still climbing higher to the peak. This is just a tip of the iceberg. For them to list for $12, they can do more in Bull Run. So take notes. Do not, just an advice actually, guys. And also Gate.io is sharing $560,000 in startup airdrops. If you've not been participating on Gate.io startup airdrop, you should start doing it. Sign up on Gate.io and complete your KYC 1 and 2. You need to start participating on their startup. On this startup airdrop, you get to earn free airdrop by holding GT or USDT or your sports balance. And in this season, they are sharing $560,000 as startup airdrops. So you don't want to fade in this season. Make sure you are positioned back to back. And that's why you have to be on my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my updates back to back. Check the link to participate in the startup airdrop on Gate.io in the description box of this video. Then you can start participating. If you don't have an account, sign up and start participating. As simple as that. Don't forget the cheat code I said, the way I was able to come about this page. You know, they were not sending code, but now, you see, I explained that in the beginning of this video already. So make sure, follow the same process and you'll be on this page. So guys, this is the update at the moment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my updates. Join my Telegram community and you will be positioned for every of my back-to-back updates. See you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching and bye for now.